Hello guys, good morning! For today's video, gusto kong i-share sa inyo ang fast-growing and sikat na coffee and pastries shop dito sa Iloilo City. Ito ang The Bread Basket. Bread Basket is known for its unique cakes and bread which you can avail at reasonable price. Their store is located here in SM City, Iloilo, and they also have another branch in San Rafael, Mandurriao. Ang gusto ko dito sa bread basket ay pwedeng-pwede i-gift ang kanilang bread dahil napaka-presentable ng packaging at ang ganda pa sa mata ang mga bread nila. Kaya guys, sa mga hindi pa nakapunta dito, you better try to visit their store and experience their delicious cake and pastries. Overall, Bread Basket is recommendable for its delicious products and Instagrammable surroundings. So guys, samahan nyo akong magkape at matikman ang kanilang mga products, lalo na yung pizza nila. Salamat sa pagsama!